See this turning light? Who's not? And I can see light show. And this one. Who is this? Light turning, not light showing. I gotta teach you how to open the light. Can't open, it can't open. I teach you. Let's see in the fields. Or right here. My field, this card is like that. I teach you. This is happening. Let's take this out. Hello, we check right here. Mitsubishi Lancer. My God. This is a signal. This one. 10A 13. Let's check. This happening. Guys, is this broken? Because your news. Broken news. Let me check it. Take it. Take go garbage. And then wait a second. Where's my fuse? Let's check a few. Okay, we gotta take this 20. This one. This is a 10A. I got a 20A. Okay. It's nothing. We got a 20. This green color. Push down here. Pull down. And now let's open it running like this. Open. Okay. It's work. Well, I have a light daytime over here. Yeah. Now let's take it closer. That fuse is broken. This is broken. I have a light daytime. We got this. Open the light. And light LED. This is a light running. Okay, that's it. Who's this fuse? Don't see it. You gotta check this a logo in the comments. Who's this problem? You gotta, I teach you. This is setting. Setting method. Okay, it's finished.